Hey there, I am Shada from SHADAT'S. Today in this video, I like to share you guys iPhone 12 Pro Max slow motion video. You can record 120 fps and 240 fps 1080 slow motion video. I am recording 240 fps slow motion video. So guys, let's start the video. Action. iPhone 12 Pro Max full review and camera review coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on another video. I'm Shada from Shada's. Allah Hafiz.